One of Chevrolet's most important releases, the 2027 Silverado, is set to arrive later this year. The full-size pickup will continue spearheading Chevy's fight against Ford and Toyota for the U.S. sales crown. However, despite unveiling the truck in June 2026, the automaker has yet to release its full specifications or pricing. But thanks to GM authority, prospective buyers now have an idea of when those details will arrive. The publication stated that comprehensive vehicle specifications will be released on September 17, followed by pricing the next day. The information will allow shoppers to compare the Silverado with direct rivals such as the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500, neither of which is receiving a full redesign for the 2027 model year. Perhaps the biggest update will come under the hood. General Motors is introducing new Gen 6 small-block V8 engines in the upcoming Silverado, the 5.7-liter L76 and 6.6-liter L78. No output figures have been shared, but considering that the 2027 Corvette's new Gen 6 V8 brings a power increase, similar gains are expected in the truck. These engines will replace the 5.3-liter L84 and 6.2-liter L87, the latter of which has been linked to widespread failures and a major recall. GM says the new engines have undergone extensive testing to ensure they deliver the expected durability and dependability. The enhanced 2.7-liter Turbomax L4B inline-4 is also expected to receive a power bump and will now be paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Meanwhile, the 3.0-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel inline-6 is expected to carry over. In terms of trim levels, the LT, RST, and LTZ are being discontinued, although the LT will effectively be replaced by a new trim simply called Silverado. The LT Trail Boss will become the Trail Boss, while the work truck, reportedly receiving a larger screen and additional standard safety features, Custom Trail Boss, ZR2, and High Country will return for 2027. While pricing is expected to arrive in less than a month, the outgoing 2026 Silverado currently starts at $36,900 for the WT and $71,800 for the ZR2, excluding destination charges. Outside the spec sheets, Silverado production could also face a shakeup following reports that the light-duty model may be dropped from GM's Oshawa plant in Canada amid trade tensions between the US and Canada. What's expected, however, is that the Silverado 1500 will continue to be produced at GM's Fort Wayne plant in Indiana and the Silao plant in Mexico.